Yeah, good evening, everyone. My name's Her Excellency Professor Doreen Zuhaira Yusuf. I am the North American Continental Governor, WSDG. We are here to inaugurate one of our chapters, which is USA. USA has been established. We have a country rep by name Mr. Uba. USA has been established since last year, but we are just doing the inauguration today. And by the power bestowed on me as the country rep for both Canada, USA, and all other countries around us, I want to declare USA chapter inauguration open. And I want to say that on behalf of the leadership of WSDG, Her Excellency Hadiza Badamasi is announced today as the Deputy Country Rep. She will be acting on behalf of the Country Rep for now. She is the Deputy Country Rep. So by the power invested on me as a member of the Global Advisory Council and the American Continental Governor, I launch US today and I declare the inauguration open, and I also install Her Excellency Hadiza Badamasi as the Deputy Country Rep. She will be acting on behalf of Mr. Uba, who is the country rep. If you go to the website, you will see the photo of Mr. Uba on our country website, But from today, Hadiza Badamasi is our Deputy Country Rep. And then Las Vegas is going to be the headquarters, no more New York for now. And hopefully that will be my second office subsequently. So US is official, yay! Thank you everyone for coming. And then we also have directors, which we're going to name on a separate date. But let me quickly say one or two things about WSDG. WSDG, the full meaning is World Sustainable Development Goals Organization. I used to be the country rep for Canada. I'm still the country rep for now until I nominate someone to become the country rep for Canada. But my position now has gone beyond the position of a country rep of Canada. And then my job here today is very simple. We are to inaugurate US, and then we are also celebrating the Black History Month. That's why I'm dressed like this. Otherwise, I would have been wearing t-shirts for WSDG. So we are working in line with the 17 Sustainable Goals. And that 17 Sustainable Goals is the only thing I'm going to read right now. I was supposed to read the job description for Hadiza Badamasi, but I will leave that for this part 2 of this video, so as to outline our job descriptions and then read our vision of the organization. So the 17 Sustainable Goals, actually, they are in line with the United Nations SDG. So the first one is zero hunger. The second one is no to poverty. Then the third one is good health and well-being. While the fourth one is quality education. The fifth one is clean water and sanitation. And then the sixth one is affordable and clean energy. And then we also have industry, innovation, and infrastructure. We have reduced inequality. And then we also have sustainable cities and communities. We have sustainable cities and communities. We have responsible consumption and production. We have climate action. We also have life below water. We have life on land. Then we have peace, justice, and strong institutions. We also have partnerships for the goals. Let me quickly go back to the one that says gender equality. I think that is the 5th goal. The gender equality is a very sensitive point for us. Though there are 17 sustainable goals, the gender equality is the one that I am very, very passionate about. Not that I don't take all the other ones serious, but that is the one that gives me opportunity to sing the women's anthem. That is the one that really, anybody who is going to be director of that should be somebody who is also gender sensitive. And anytime we are doing training or we are doing program that affects gender equality, we make sure that we put the women's anthem in the program, and we teach the women at the venue, both those that are going to be trained and the instructors. Those instructors were volunteers from WSDG. I mean, it's a non-profit organization. It's a global initiative. We have WSDG in over 27 countries now. I cannot itemize them. Maybe in the second video I will do that. That's when I will be reading the vision statement and all of that. So, and I will also read the job description of the Deputy Country Rep. What actions and what she can do and what she cannot do. So now, let me go back to that gender equality. When we are training women, when we are giving women free training, or we are teaching them skills, we said alternative to no job is to acquire a skill. And when you want to acquire a skill, don't bother about your qualification. You can just keep your certification somewhere. Acquire a skill that will lead you to become an entrepreneur, where you can also help the youths and the vulnerables around you. So during our women training, we emphasize on that gender equality, which is the 5th goal. Yeah, which is the 5th point of the 17 SDG. And that gender equality, we just sing only one phrase of the women's anthem. It goes like this. I'm sure many of you are familiar with it. It was developed at the Beijing conference. So it goes like this, just one phrase. Say, all around the nations, all around the world, women are longing to be free, no longer in the shadows, forced to stay behind. Side by side and equality. So sing a song, oh sing a song for women everywhere. Let it ring around the world and never, never cease. Oh sing a song for women everywhere. Equality, development, and peace. So, having said that, I will quickly go now to do the official installation. By the power invested on me, I declare USA chapter open. Yeah. So in that same spirit, I install H E Her Excellency Hadiza Badamasi as the new acting country rep, which is otherwise a deputy country rep. She's going to oversee the 55 states in US. She has the power, she has the authority to appoint directors for the 55 states. She also has the power to install directors through recommendations to the Global Advisory Council. She can also appoint 17 directors to manage the 17 SDG goals. So that brings us now to Black History Month. Black History Month needs to be celebrated. We decided to put the inauguration and the celebrations of WSDG during this time in Black History Month. We also want to use the opportunity to acknowledge the Black History Month. We want to be part of the celebration. And we also want to let you know that WSDG, we are already collaborating with over 100 NGOs, because each country representative has right to partner and collaborate, network with at least nothing less than 50 NGOs. So most of the country reps, I for one, I am already collaborating with about 25 non-profits, including churches, mosques. I mean, it depends, because most of these organizations are registered as non-profit in the international community. So now, Black History Month celebrations is part of the ones we are celebrating and collaborating with. I, for one, I cannot talk about Black History Month without talking about my culture, without talking about the rich cultural heritage of Benin Kingdom. That's why I'm dressed like this. I come from that kingdom that is called the rich cultural Benin Kingdom that has the monarch. Okay, and we are like the Oba of Benin is the custodian of our cultural heritage. I come from a place, ladies and gentlemen, where even with the interference of the colonial masters in 1897, we still hold on to our cultural values. We hold on to our cultural values because that is a kingdom where the Obaship is monarchical. Our Obaship is by heritage, is by inheritance, is not by political appointments. They said, Isaac Borioba. So we believe that our Oba comes from God. It is God that ordains our Oba. The first son of the Oba automatically becomes the next Oba. So because of that, we hold our cultural values, beliefs, and customs so dearly. So that's why when I want to speak on Black History Month, I always make sure that I use a case study of Benin Kingdom. Not because I'm unapologetically an Edo woman, but because that is one of the strongest African descents that is still holding to the cultural values of their people. So anywhere I'm speaking, especially during the Black History Month, not just only the Black History Month, I went to speak in Dubai as a chief judge for Miss Polo International. I was dressed in a Edo way. I was dressed like this. And you remember that in Muslim environment, women don't even open their body. Even when they wear long hijab, they still wear their clothes. But they understood with me that I was projecting my culture, and I was very, very proud to identify with African descent. So happy celebrations for Black History Month. And we also want to say here that US chapter is now open. We have an office where we're going to be meeting at least once a month. And then stakeholders meeting. There's going to be a recap stakeholders meeting. It's going to be visual. And then all the prospective directors like Maina, and a few other ones for US, please be part of the meeting, and the job has started. I thank you all for being part of this inauguration. History has been made. Again, I raise the flag to say, by the power invested on me by the Global Advisory Center, Global Advisory Council, I pronounce US launched and inaugurated. History will always remain that I launched USA chapter as the North American Continental Governor. I pray that from this day, 21st day of February in Black History Month, will be a day we will live to remember. Thank you all, and I appreciate everyone. Please enjoy yourself. And it's dance, 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 dance. Don't forget to raise your country flag. Let us know if we already have WSDG in your country. Let us know. You may be based in America, then we can link you with our country rep in Rwanda, Australia, South Africa, Nigeria, Canada, Kenya. You know, I can name it on and on. India, Pakistan, Guinea-Papau, which is a part of Australia. Please let us know as soon as you are registered in our secretariat. Yes, the office is in the group chat where we're going to be using as our temporary secretariat. Endeavor to register your email, your phone number, your full name, and where you are originally from. You may be from US, but some of those Black Americans that are from US, some of them are already identifying with different parts of. Oh, okay. One last country. We have the newest country rep have just been appointed yesterday. She's an attorney. She's going to be in charge of the whole of the Caribbean. The whole of the Caribbean, cut across Bahamas, Trinidad and Tobago, Grenada or something, Jamaica, Haiti. She's in charge of all the. She's also eventually going to be a continental governor. So thank you all. I really appreciate you. I appreciate everyone. Thank you. Thank you so much, Hadiza Badamasi. Thank you for being the chief host. And then thank you for carrying everybody along. May God bless you. May Allah bless us. You know, it's fasting period, so no much celebrations, but thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I remain Your Excellency, Professor Doreen Zoaira Osazowa Yusuf, and I'm your North American Continental Governor. Please endeavor to reach out. I am in the group chat. Should you have any concerns, should you have more inquiries, please shoot, put it in the text, and the executive secretary will reply you, or I will reply you immediately. And Hadiza can also reply you. But all the directors, their appointment is activated today. All the directors that have been appointed or recommended by Hadiza Badamasi, their appointment is activated. Thank you very much. I want to acknowledge the owner of South Africa. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you for giving us your space. I mean, I know that you did it for us as a team member. We don't take it for granted. We appreciate you. We say thank you very much. Thank you to Mayana. She's been running around with Hadiza for the opening ceremony. Thank you, everyone, and all those who are present. We say thank you all. We appreciate you. And the leadership of WSDG says, congratulations. Thank you. So, because it's Black History Month, permit me, I've done the women's anthem. Permit me to do a dance, African dance. At least that will cover the Black History Month ceremony. Thank you very much. US is launched. Thank you.